Hi again, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. Speaking of heavenly, we are going to see some heavenly views today. We're going to be going up Pinnacle Peak, located just outside of Scottsdale, Arizona. This is an absolutely magnificent trail, offering you some incredible views all over the Scottsdale area, from golf courses to beautiful cactus to these big old rocks like you can see behind me. But rather than me stand here and talk, as we always do, we'll cue up a little music and take you up to the top of Pinnacle Peak and probably around it as well. Not bad, huh? Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Also, check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you next time, you know what we always say, make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now.